In this Wing Chun lesson, I'll introduce the Kwan Sau, Wing Chun's rotating arms. Kwan Sau is a technique made up of a Tan Sau and a low bong Sau that's used to roll out of a double under trapped position. Its importance is shown in how often it's used in the wooden dummy form. Don't miss out on another lesson. Subscribe to the Adam Willis channel.
Kwan Sao is the action of a bong and a tan simultaneously. So if you get into a trapped up position, kind of like this, anytime your elbows or your hands are like this, that's when you can roll out and turn the tables on me. So let's say this one turns into a bong and this one turns into a tan. The bong on this is going to be below, and you're going to pivot your weight onto this other side.
So the tan's going to be high.
The tan's going to be here to my throat, right? So I'm coming in, wait, pivot that way.
Oh, this way.
Yes. Bring this down, and I run into it, right? Bring this forward. There we go. That's it. Now I run into this, and you just kind of stop me. You're not on the line you were. This is on the line you were.
Gotcha.
Right? So you're here, you feel all trapped up, but then you turn the tables on me. Boom!
Yeah.
And I run into it. I'm the one that's pursuing you on that, right? And you feel it here. Now you pursue me on that, right? Boom!
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But push into me a little bit more. There we go. Right? So I'm controlling here and hitting here.
Yeah.
Now this can also be, right, bop, to the groin, or boom,
It's
here.
not just my shield. It's a weapon.
It's not just. You can, you can do both with these things. So it's really cool, but it's a table turner. That's what the Kwan Sau does. Table turner, anytime you get, I'm all bunched up together, let me roll out of it.
Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.